The government is awarding more than $500,000 of stimulus money to the Wabash Valley. The money will help counties and towns go green by upgrading lights and making other energy-saving improvements. News 10's Dan Klein reports the savings will be felt for years to come. Dan?
Mark, 5 Wabash Valley cities or counties are winners of stimulus energy grant money. It will be announced next week. The biggest winner in the Wabash Valley is the Sullivan County Courthouse. Commissioners are getting more than $20,000 to upgrade the lights and almost $200,000 to replace the windows and ventilation system.
Our windows needed it bad. They needed it real bad. And this will not disturb the historical part of it. It's all going to go on the inside.
But major changes on the inside Bose hopes could save the county 25%, which might mean an extra $1,000 a month. The other big winner is Shelburne in Sullivan County. The town is receiving more than $100,000 in grant money. Almost $75,000 is going to replacing furnaces, air conditioning units, and making other improvements. The rest of the money will go towards upgrading the lights. The city of Sullivan will get nearly $100,000 to buy windows, insulation, and ventilation systems. Clay County is receiving more than $70,000 to upgrade the lights at the courthouse and other buildings. The city of Clinton will be given almost $45,000 to upgrade lights at the buildings owned by the city. Going forward, all the money should lead to increased savings on power bills, and it couldn't come at a better time.
You know, with the economy like it is, we just can't hardly afford stuff like that. So when we got this grant, that was, I mean, that's really good news.
The Indiana Office of Energy Development has $4 million still available. Applications are due by the end of April. Back to you, Mark.